Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the super glue hack. So, let's say you broke something. Normally you'd get your super glue. You put a little bit on the edge. Place the object together and you glue it. Well, here's the best way to do it. You got another piece. Get yourself a little sandpaper, rough up the area a little bit. Rough up the sides a little bit. You're going to get your crazy glue. You're going to do the same thing. Put a little bit on it. Place it down. And here's where the hack comes in. Put a little bit on the side. And you're going to get yourself some regular old baking soda. So I have a little bit in a cup here. And you're going to sprinkle that right onto that wet super glue. Just dump it on. Shake it off. Place a little bit more on top. Place a little bit more baking soda. You're going to do this in layers. As you can see, that's building up. See that from the bottom? That's all you need. Let that sit for a little bit, let it dry good. We're going to give that about 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and I'll show you how strong that is. Okay, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. This is like a rock. And I'll show you the strength difference. That comes right off, right? Check this out. I mean, I'm putting a dent into the table. I mean, I'm sure if I hit it hard enough and long enough, it'd probably pop off, but that's there to stay. So this little crazy glue, super glue, and baking soda hack comes in very valuable. I repaired the door handle on my son's car, and it's still going strong after weeks of being done. I repaired a picture frame, all the little pieces in the back that screw in, that you screw in the back to, broke off. I use this method. Anything that's a plastic, a hard plastic, this works. I don't know the chemistry behind it, but it sure as heck works. It becomes as hard as a rock. You could sand it, you could file it. It's just a really great hack to know. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and there you go. That's how I do stuff. Have a great day, everyone.